There are more than 20 billion coconuts produced every year, with Indonesia, the Philippines and India being the three biggest coconut producing countries. Coconuts in their various forms are antiviral, antifungal, antibacterial and antiparasite. Coconut oils contain MCTs, which are easy to digest. The oil is a source of energy and has an accelerating effect on the metabolism. Coconut oils are very healthy and good for your heart. Coconut oils also contain 4 growth hormones and 3 sets of chromosomes that help the development of many organisms. Coconut water, on average, contains 94% water with around 46 calories per cup. On average, 3.5 cups of coconut equates to 25 grams of fibre. This is the recommended daily amount of fibre an adult should have. Falling coconuts kill 150 people every year. That's 10 times the number of people killed by sharks. The coconut crab is the largest land-dwelling crustacean, and funnily enough, it loves to eat coconuts. The coconut palm is also the national tree of the Maldives. Just like mangoes, cashews, and cherries, the coconut is actually a drupe and not a nut. The drupe is an item that has a fleshy outer around a pit. During World War II, coconut water was used to treat dehydration due to short medical supplies. In a British poll, the Bounty Bar is a chocolate and coconut bar. At the time, it was seemingly disliked by many people, but was actually voted as one of Britain's top 3 favourite candy bars. In 2007, a record 5,567 people clip-clopped coconut shells in the biggest ever such orchestra. It was held to launch the Monty Python musical Spamalot. And according to Terry Jones of Monty Python fame, coconut shells were used in Monty Python and the Holy Grail because they couldn't afford horses. And remember, May the 8th is National Coconut Cream Pie Day. I hope this gave you more fun facts to expand your knowledge and up the ante on the trivia conversations around the coffee table or your lunchroom. Do you have your own fun facts on this video we didn't mention? Drop them into the comments section below. And if you have a suggestion on another topic, please do tell us those too in those comments. Remember, do subscribe and turn on notifications if you enjoyed the video. It helps grow the channel so we can continue to provide bite-sized snippets to empower your brain. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.